Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on Indian rugs. Now generally we have two types of Indian rugs. Antique Indian rugs like the one I'm standing on here, and modern Indian rugs are rugs that are woven a little bit more recent in today's time. When it comes to antique Indian rugs, they are hard to come by. And how you can tell that a rug is an antique Indian rug is by wear and tear that you'll see, perhaps some abrush and variation of color, and in general, when you're in the industry, you'll know from the weave of the rug, the pattern, and even the colors as well. Now, when it comes to modern Indian rugs, sometimes you'll see that they'll incorporate certain aspects of the traditional design into a transitional rug. However, for the most part, when we're just talking about modern rugs, you'll notice that they're going to have much more simplistic designs like the one that you see here. And this specific rug below me is called a grass design rug. It has an all-over pattern that is supposed to emulate what a grass field looks like. And the types of color tones that are used in modern Indian rugs are a little bit more fresh because they're supposed to be compatible with today's modern homes and decor. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com where we feature a lot of great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.